Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful, buddy of mine, 1971 Pontiac LeMans Sport convertible. Pretty rare car. They built just over 3,800 of these cars. Really cool car, guys. This is actually the second time I've owned this. I owned or sold this car, oh man, it's been almost 12 years ago. About a 15-year-old body up restoration. Really cool car, runs and drives excellent. A buddy of mine is actually the one I got this car from when I originally sold it. I actually just bought it back from a guy out of, I think it was Virginia. But cool car. It's finished in Cameo, Ivory white. It's got the factory Ivory interior. Car's only got 70-some thousand original miles on it. I just put the new wheels and tires on it. Those are brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs with Cragar, 15-inch Cragar SS wheels. I just didn't like the wheels and tires he had on it. Neat car though. You can nitpick the paint. It's definitely got some blemishes in the paint. But I'll tell you what, if you're looking for something to cruise to the car shows, this is a nice car. It hits the road great. Like I say, pretty cool car, pretty rare car. Again, as we go around it, yes, there's blemishes in the paint, guys. You can nitpick the paint. I wouldn't paint it. I drive it the way it is, and like I said, I don't think that the paint's horrible. It's just as you work your way around it, you can see some blemishes. But it's not $50,000, which is where everything's headed. Good straight old car. It's got a great look to it. Like I say, really hits the road good. It's got the dual sport mirrors. This is brand new. The gentleman I bought this car from just put new dual exhaust on it, and he put brand new convertible top on it. So that is new. Power top, it works good. There's some little light scratching in the glass. The side glass is the factory soft gray glass. The front windshield has been replaced. Again, brand new convertible top. It's got the rear glass window in it. Again, like we talked about, you can see some blemishes in the paint. My guys must have got some wax on the top up there. Pretty cool old car. I like this body style. You don't see them. It's just some wax, guys. Chrome and stainless, very nice on the car. Good straight old car. Again, brand new wheels and tires. It's got those, I believe those GTO tips, the twin chrome tips, I think those actually came on this car. I think that's the way these cars were. These cars were a GTO kind of without the badging. Car's got a good look to it. Again, brand new wheels, brand new tires. Again, as you kind of go around, you can nitpick the paint, guys. Don't think it's got show paint. Not that you couldn't take it to your local shows and cruises and stand tall next to it, but it's a good car. Non-matching numbers car, but I believe it's 72 block. And yeah, I looked it up. I'm almost positive it's got a 72 400 block in it. 4-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes, HEI distributor, chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers, 400 turbohydramatic trans. Well, that's stock. I just think whoever gets this car is just getting a great driver. Power top works good. Again, dual sport mirrors. It's got the remote driver's mirror. I believe these are stock. I think this stuff in the interior, I think the interior is actually original. You can see a little discoloring, you know. Again, I'm not trying to pick it to death. I'm just trying to really show you what it is, guys. Definitely has new sill plates on it. But I believe that's the original interior. Bucket seats, console. It's got the wood grain dash. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. Steering wheel's in real good shape. Dash is nice. Yeah, 79,769 on your odometer. Clock does not work. They put the aftermarket Panasonic radio in it. They've also put the aftermarket vintage. Those are vintage heat and air controls on it. They put the custom kick panels in it. I believe we have the originals as well. It's got new Dynomax dual exhaust. It's a stock 10 bolt, I believe 323 rear end. So no big gear. Definitely something you can jump on the expressway in. Factory jack with spare is in the trunk here. And again, I do think there's some original parts that go with it. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. I think it's had new quarters put on it, if I remember right. Don't hold me to that, but I believe they did change the quarters on it. Good car. Like I say, good straight car. Fun car to drive. It's got a great look to it. Good stance. Got great sound. I know the guy I got it from. He loved it. It's a great car. The only thing he was selling it was to help his daughter buy a house. Even Joe, he loved the car. The guy I originally got it from. He might have even traded this car in, if I remember right. He's the reason I found this car back. He called me. He said, man, this is my old car. You sold this car. We ended up reaching out to you, to the guy, and ended up buying it back. Dash is nice. A couple little holes there in the console. Somebody probably had something there at one time, a tack or something. Again, original door handles. Door buzzer still works. Like I say, car hits the road great. Got great sound. I love these old Pontiacs, man. They were just good cars. Bunch of stuff coming, guys. I got everything kind of posted with at least a couple of photos on the site. I think I've got like 17 cars coming, so make sure you're keeping track of our website. It is a power top. Power top works well too, guys. But make sure you're keeping track of that site, man. I got a ton of stuff coming. That's just a good quality car right there. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, everything works on those bottom controls, not the top. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. Then you can set it up where you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. I think Jordan was trying to get out in front of the traffic. They stopped it. That's a good looking car though, man. I just, like I say, you don't see them. You see, you know, Chevelles, you see a ton of. You just don't see a lot of these cars. It's a good, straight, old car, man. Sits good, looks good. Sounds good.